Imagine you're trying to display an image in RStudio, but you're facing a problem. When you load the image and use the plot function, you notice substantial margins around the image despite setting the mar argument. Frustrating, right? The solution to this issue involves recognizing that the image class is cimg, causing the plot function to call plot.cimg, which ignores the mar argument. So, first, load the image using the imager library. Next, in a solution, you can simply use the display function to show the image in a new window. This allows you to view the image without the unwanted margins. Continuing with the solution, to remove the margins and display the image without axes, set the mar parameters before calling the plot function. Don't forget to save the previous parameters using the opera variable and restore them after plotting with par opera. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively load and display images in RStudio without dealing with those pesky margins. And there you have the problem solved. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Who knew handling images could be so entertaining?